Yo, what is up, guys? If you've been scrolling through Instagram or TikTok lately, you've definitely seen them. AI influencers pulling in massive money through affiliate marketing for Amazon, Temu, Walmart, and Etsy. Now here is the big problem every creator faces. You can easily generate one cool AI girl or guy, but the moment you try to put them in a new video, a new outfit, or a different angle, their face completely changes. Their skin changes, their hair melts, and the consistency vanishes. I've watched tons of videos on YouTube about this, and honestly, nobody is sharing the actual working method for ultra realism and 100% character consistency. So today, I am giving you the ultimate blueprint. I'm going to show you a step-by-step, completely free method to create an ultra-realistic AI influencer with perfect face and body lock across multiple video clips. Grab a snack, hit that like button, and let's jump straight into the screen. All right, step 1. We need to design a unique character. Do not just type "generate a pretty girl" into an image tool. That never works for consistency. Instead, we're using my master prompt. And don't worry, every single prompt I use in this video is linked down in the description below. I'm going to copy the master prompt and drop it straight into ChatGPT. Hit enter. Look at that. It immediately gives us 8 unique AI influencer concepts followed by a structured template to build our custom character sheet. Out of these 8 ideas, concept number 1 caught my eye, a stylish model with silver hair. I copy the template and fill in the details step by step. Concept, Korean silver hair model. Ethnicity and skin tone, fair or white. Body type, slim, lean, and curvy. Hairstyle and length, medium length and layered. Facial features, unique eye color, distinct features for brand identity. Niche, fashion, and lifestyle. Once you fill this template out, ChatGPT generates a highly detailed master character prompt. Now, let's generate her. I paste that detailed prompt back into ChatGPT. Okay, this looks good, but she has glasses and I want her skin to look ultra realistic and natural, not like fake plastic. So I prompt it, make her more realistic, remove the glasses, add realistic skin texture, and change her hair color to red. Whoa, this second version is way better. Now let's switch her hair to silver as originally planned. Boom, that's our main face. Take your time during this step, guys, because this face is your entire brand asset. Once you are 100% happy with her look, do not close the chat. Paste this exact prompt. Good, now create a character sheet of her from different angles. Close-up, side view, wide shot, full body, everything. ChatGPT will generate a multi-angle character sheet. Download both your main portrait image and this full character sheet into a dedicated folder on your computer. You'll need these exact files in a minute. Now let's put our influencer to work for affiliate marketing. Let's say we want her to promote a dress from Etsy or Amazon. I went to Etsy, searched for woman bold dress, and found this red dress. I took 5 to 6 quick screenshots showing the product from different angles. Next, head over to Meta AI, or you can use ChatGPT for this step too. I upload my main character portrait, my multi-angle character sheet, and those 5 dress product screenshots. Then I drop in this storyboard prompt. I want to create a realistic AI fashion try-on video of my character wearing a specific dress. Meta AI processes all the images and gives us a complete visual grid layout along with the exact video generation prompts for part 1 and part 2. Now, let's turn this into video. Go to the Google Flow website, start a new project, and make sure you switch the setting to agent mode. I upload my visual storyboard image, paste the exact video generation prompt Meta AI gave us for part 1, and hit generate. Okay, the video motion, lighting, and dress physics look awesome, but if you look closely at her face, yeah, it doesn't match our original silver-haired influencer at all. Let's generate part 2 first anyway. I copy the second prompt from Meta AI, paste it into Google Flow, and generate clip number 2. Again, cool motion, but the face consistency is completely off. Don't worry, this is 99% where people give up. Here is how we fix it permanently. Here is the secret sauce that nobody on YouTube is showing you. Inside Google Flow, look for the Character section on the menu and click it. A new Configuration tab will pop up. This is where we permanently register our AI influencer into the platform's core memory bank. Voice, click Select Voice and pick a natural female voice for her. Character info, jump back to your original ChatGPT session and type, "Give me a detailed written description of my character." Copy that written info and paste it right into the character info box. Name, give her a name, let's call her Yuna. Portrait and body, here's a small mistake I made earlier. Don't rush. In the portrait slot, upload her main face photo. In the body slot below it, upload that full multi-angle character sheet we saved earlier. Hit done. Your character Yuna is officially saved inside the AI's core memory bank. Now that Yuna is saved in the system, we rerun our video generations with one simple command added to our prompt. Show Yuna's face in both videos and ensure her face, body, and hair are 100% consistent with her saved character profile. Guys, look at this.
I love how this linen feels. The side slit adds such a nice touch.
That is 100% perfect face and body consistency across multiple video shots. Her silver hair, her face structure, her body proportions, and the red dress stay locked from shot to shot. To polish it up, you can drop the clips into a free tool like Easy Watermark Remover to clean up any logos, add some trending audio and Instagram, drop your Amazon or Etsy affiliate link in your bio, and you're ready to post. This is hands down the easiest, cheapest, and most reliable method to build a scalable AI influencer brand for affiliate marketing without spending a single dollar on expensive face swapping servers.
I love how this linen feels. The side slit adds such a nice touch.